Welcome to Burda Style 1850. Step back in time with us as we explore the fashion trends of the Victorian era, a time when elegance, attention to detail, and refined craftsmanship ruled the wardrobes of the day. This special edition of Burda Style brings you 5 exquisite designs that embody the grace, sophistication, and practicality of 1850 fashion. Each piece reflects the timeless charm and artistry of an era that continues to inspire us today. Let's dive into the beauty and details of these unique styles. The elegant day dress was a staple of every Victorian woman's wardrobe, and for good reason. It combined beauty and functionality effortlessly. This design features a high neckline for modesty and a polished appearance, perfect for daytime events. Fitted bodice panels that cinch the waist, emphasizing the figure while maintaining a regal poise. Voluminous puff sleeves, tapering gracefully at the cuffs, adding drama without sacrificing comfort. A full skirt that flows beautifully, creating the iconic bell-shaped silhouette synonymous with the 1850s. This dress is ideal for a morning stroll in the garden, hosting guests for tea, or attending church on a Sunday. Imagine it in soft floral prints, pastel hues, or even plain fabrics with delicate lace accents. The elegant day dress is timeless, versatile, and practical for a woman of style. Victorian fashion truly came alive in the evening, and the grand ball gown is a testament to the luxury and splendor of the era. This style is designed for special occasions, showcasing an off-the-shoulder neckline framed with ruffles, lace, or velvet, creating a romantic and ethereal look. A fitted bodice tailored to perfection, flowing into a dramatic floor-length skirt that exudes elegance. Luxury fabrics such as satin, brocade, or silk, adorned with embroidery, beadwork, or subtle embellishments. This gown is perfect for grand balls, formal soirees, or elegant dinners. The full skirt, supported by crinolines and petticoats, allows the wearer to glide gracefully across the dance floor. Pair it with delicate gloves, sparkling jewelry, and an updo for a truly regal appearance. If you're enjoying this journey into 1850 fashion, don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more timeless inspirations, historical insights, and exclusive style previews. By subscribing, you'll never miss out on our latest content, whether it's modern fashion trends or the beauty of bygone eras. Hit that subscribe button and join our stylish community today. Outerwear in 1850 wasn't just about keeping warm, it was about making a statement. The practical frock coat is a stunning example of Victorian tailoring and versatility. This coat features sharp lapels and a fitted waist that flatter the silhouette, giving the wearer a poised and polished look. Flared hems designed to gracefully flow with movement, making it as elegant as it is functional. Deep, practical pockets for carrying gloves, handkerchiefs, or small personal items. Made from rich wool, velvet, or fine cotton, the practical frock coat is perfect for layering over day dresses or evening gowns. Whether worn to the marketplace or during a countryside carriage ride, this coat is as stylish as it is practical. A true Victorian wardrobe wouldn't be complete without a graceful evening cape. This piece is designed to add elegance and warmth during evening outings or formal occasions. The cape features a short, draped design that covers the shoulders and upper arms, offering just the right amount of coverage. Ornate embellishments, such as tassels, fringe, or intricate embroidery, adding a touch of luxury. Soft, rich fabrics, such as velvet or silk, ensuring a glamorous and comfortable fit. The romantic evening cape is the perfect finishing touch to a ball gown or formal attire, creating a regal and dramatic effect. Whether attending the theater or an evening ball, this cape ensures you step out in style. Accessories were just as important as clothing in the 1850s, and the bonnet with a twist is no exception. This design is both functional and decorative, featuring a wide brim, beautifully framing the face and providing shade during outdoor activities. Ribbon ties, secured under the chin for a comfortable and secure fit. Charming adornments, such as silk flowers, feathers, lace, or even beads, to match the outfit perfectly. The bonnet with a twist is the ideal accessory for both day and evening ensembles. Its versatility allows it to be dressed up for formal events or styled simply for outdoor walks or carriage rides. It's more than an accessory. It's a statement of elegance and refinement. Burda Style 1850 is more than a collection of patterns. It's a window into a world where fashion was art. Each design in this collection showcases the intricate details and thoughtful craftsmanship that made Victorian fashion so extraordinary. From the elegant day dress to the bonnet with a twist, these pieces capture the beauty, elegance, and practicality of 1850 style. Whether you're recreating history, exploring Victorian fashion for inspiration, or simply appreciating the artistry of the past, this collection has something special for everyone. Don't forget to share your thoughts in the comments below. Which of these styles would you love to recreate? We'd also love to hear how you'd style them for modern times. And if you haven't already, make sure to subscribe to our channel for more exciting content like this. Let's celebrate timeless style together.